Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, send me nice comments, most of all share and subscribe. And remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to fix it. And if any other man can do it, you can do it too. So today we're going to work on this one is a 2002 Ford Escape, but I got to assume this is probably about the same till 2007 or 2008 on the Ford Escape, Mazda Tribute, Mercury Mariner. And if you've had the shield that goes over your gas tank hoses, I don't really think it makes a difference, you know, if it's there or not. I doubt anything could happen. I mean, but you might want it on there. So I'm going to show you how to just do a jerry rig to put this back on, and it'll keep it on there forever. Just so you know, the reason that these fall off is these get corroded and rust away and break off. There's supposed to be like little nuts on there, and there's no tab left to put them on. So what we're basically going to do is drill two holes in the plastic on each side of these nuts, run a zip tie through them. Sorry you can't see the top one so well, but you'll get the idea. So it doesn't really matter where you make these holes, because you're just going to run a zip tie right through it. Maybe I got it. I've got the world's dullest drill bit. And I really didn't use any particular size drill bit, just something big enough to get a zip tie through it. And this drill bit is so bad that it won't even drill through plastic. That's why it's in my junk drawer. But we're gonna end up drilling 6 holes in it, and then we'll just end up running 3 zip ties through it. Pretty simple. It'll hold it on there if you're worried about it doing something. So essentially, we're just going to go take these really long zip ties, and we're going to run them up through the holes. And I'm using long ones because it'll be much easier. You can just leave it loose until you get all 3 of them on there, and then you can snug it up. Make sure it stays behind the backer. Probably have to just loop the zip ties, and then I'll fix them, except for this middle one that goes through there. So that'll have to actually be around there. But the other 2 would just fall off, so no worries there. But we're gonna leave it loose so it's easier to get on. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, send me nice comments. Please like, share, most of all subscribe. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So there we go, all snug and secure. Cut off your zip ties, good to go. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing.